In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin important conversations on WhatsApp Web. This is a handy feature that will help you keep track of the chats you find most essential, ensuring they're always easy to access and never lost in the shuffle. So, let's dive right in. First, navigate to WhatsApp Web on your preferred internet browser and log in with the QR code if you haven't already. Make sure you're in a comfortable spot with a good internet connection to avoid any interruptions. Now that you're logged in, you'll see your chat list on the left side of the screen. This list may vary in length depending on the number of conversations you have, but rest assured, the process is the same, no matter how many chats you're managing. The next step is to select a chat you wish to prioritize. Look through your list and decide which conversation is most critical for you at the moment. Once you've identified the chat, hover your cursor over it. You'll notice a small down arrow or a More Options icon that appears next to the chat. This button is key to accessing additional actions for this specific conversation. Click on this down arrow or the More Options icon. As you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear, offering different actions you can take. One of the options listed in this menu is Pin Chat, or something similar. By selecting this option, you pin the chat, moving it to the top of your chat list permanently, or until you decide to unpin it. Alternatively, for those who prefer using right-click functionalities, you can simply right-click on the desired chat. A menu similar to the drop-down menu we just reviewed will appear. From this list, click on the pin option. It's just as effective, offering a slightly more tactile way to manage your chats if you prefer using the right-click method. Once the chat is pinned, you'll notice it stays at the top of your list of chats, making it easy to find and access anytime you log into WhatsApp Web. This feature is particularly beneficial if you're juggling multiple conversations and need quick access to certain ones without having to scroll through a lengthy list each time. And there you have it. A simple and effective method to keep your most important conversations front and center on WhatsApp Web. Pinned chats can help streamline your communication, especially if you're using WhatsApp for work or other critical correspondence. As a quick tip, if ever you need to unpin a chat, simply revisit these same steps and select the Unpin Chat option from the menu. It's just as straightforward and will revert the chat list to its usual order. Thank you for watching today's video, and I hope this guide has been helpful in organizing your WhatsApp messages. If you found it useful, consider sharing it with someone who might benefit too. Have a great day and